Now today we are going to talk about the YouTubers. Actually, they are themselves a celebrity across, and these YouTubers are becoming very, very popular. Now, though they might not believe in astrology, we believe that one day they will believe in astrology, and one day they will also come to the conclusion why astrology is important in their career. Because right now all of them are very young and all of them are very interesting, entertaining, they are very well popular, they have millions of people following them across, and they are quite popular about it. The first person in this regard is supposed to be Madan Gowri. Now, he has a YouTube which is very intellectual in nature. Now, any news happens, he sums it up. Now, what is the fight between the Palestine and the Israel? Why they are fighting? For what they are fighting? What is the news across? He kind of sums it up, and he says he is having 1 million followers. And recently I saw Vijay Sethupathi actually posing him with Madan Gowri across. Now, these YouTubers are getting connected with the televisions, and some of them do get into cinematical chance. So this probably is the first endeavor of an astrologer who speaks about all these guys. So first let's talk about Madan Gowri. Now, Madan Gowri has Saturn in Kumbha and is born in 28th May 1993. From Saturn, the second house is Venus, the fourth house is Sun, Ketu, Mercury, the sixth house is Mars, seventh house is Moon, and Jupiter in the 8th house. Now, this is the horoscope of Madan Gowri. First of all, why do you think Madan Gowri has become such a popular guy? In the media part of it, it's very important to have Shukra, which has to be very well placed. In Madan Gowri's term, the Shukra is in the second house, and also the Shukra is exalted. Probably it is exalted to the closest degree across, and it is aspected by Jupiter. So therefore, if you see the what you call the eruditeness of the YouTuber Madan Gowri, he actually has an excellent communication, but it is a very sattvic communication. It doesn't run over people, it doesn't irritate people by putting memes or cracking jokes or by probably doing jump cuts or anything like that. It is a very clean thing. It is like a news reader. You go listen to his channel, it will be like, oh, you know, the news is available. So the first thing is why Madan Gowri is so very good in communication is because he has Venus in the second house, and from the 8th house, the Jupiter is seeing the second house. So probably this boy's communication ability we can consider is excellent. Now, whereas if you take, we'll be talking about the other one is the Harish Bhaskar, who does the jump cuts, but his communication style is very, very different because it's all in the Mars house. So it's kind of hurting sometimes, and sometimes cracking jokes, and which other people consider as a joke, and but for the joker is kind of issue. The second one is you take Madan Gowri as Sun Ketu, Mercury Ketu. Mercury Ketu is a common thing we see in the YouTubers. They are not interested in education. They are not interested in continuing the education. At some level, there is a disconnect between their profession and their education. They are very, very unhappy about their education, so they kind of give up their education. That is the meaning of Mercury and Ketu, and also Sun Ketu is also there. So Madan Gowri's father might not have been so helpful to him as far as this profession is concerned for two reasons. I don't think so YouTube was there before, and the second one is there seems to be an antithesis. I do not know whether his father is alive, but his father might not be so much helpful to the profession. The sixth house is Mars. Now this is very good in terms of communication. The third lord and the 10th lord is the same. So he makes money through communication, through media, through computers, through internet. All those things is there as a part of the affiliate marketing across, and that is represented by the 10th Lord in the 6th house. So he will have enemies, he will have difficulties, he would have overcome it. But the 10th house Rahu shows that Madan Gauri will move from YouTube, from the current form and from the current kshetra. The guy will move on. The guy will not be in this avatar, and he will be able to move across. And Rahu shows in the 10th house a weird profession, a different kind of profession this guy will be having, and therefore he will move on from the YouTube. I don't know whether he will give up YouTube completely. I don't think so it's going to happen, but he might move into the other areas. So Rahu in the 10th house, according to the Parashura astrology, he talks about from the Saturn, which is the Karakas, which is a very, very important indicator for a person to have weird professions which are not in common, which are not in vogue, which are not very, very popular across. All these things are being told. The other one is, will he get married? He has second house Venus, so we can surely tell he's going to get married, or probably he must have got married by now. He must have had a girlfriend. And also the Jupiter is in the 7th house, so which means the girl who is coming across to him will be traditional, will be orthodox, will be loved by his family, will help him in his profession. And also the 7th Lord with Ketu, it could be a love marriage, and also some kind of a broken relationship in the past could have been there as a person. So therefore this is one of the important charts of Madan Gauri. The other point is from Saturn, the 7th house is there is Moon. So which means normally from the Saturn, the Moon is seeing it. It's some kind of a sannyas yoga, which means he will be very bland, plain, polite. It's like drinking a filter coffee. You can't expect a kind of a boom bash like that kind of communication across. But he has broken the trend. He has been very popular. Now will he continue to be popular? Yes. The next 2 years are going to be very, very positive and very significant for Madan Gauri. He would be definitely be more popular. He will be making more money, and he will be making more money through affiliate marketing and being a YouTuber across. Why? Because the exalted Venus will be transited by Jupiter, and next year the Saturn will be transiting with the natal Saturn. According to the Bhrigu Nandi Nadi, now whenever Saturn transits the natal Saturn, and if it is turned out to be in a good position, it will bring in lot of favor and luck and success for him as a person. So you can expect Madan Gauri to increase the view, increase the subscription, increase in affiliate marketing, and increase the levels he's been doing across. The other point of it is now it's not a great horoscope to make millions of dollars. I really doubt he would become a millionaire. But from Jupiter, the second lord is in the 7th house exalted. So after the arrival of girlfriend, or after the what you call it as the women coming into his life, he'll be very successful in making money. And also the 11th lord is in the 12th house. It does not look like he's going to make a lot of money across, but he would be quite famous. You take his fame component, you take his money component, the fame component part of it will be much higher than the money component about it. But the trends will change, the things will change, everything will be changing. So you can expect Madan Gauri to go through the changes across, because the 10th house is seen by Sun, Ketu, Mercury across. So it's an evolving place. The YouTube is a real evolving place that not many people are aware of it. It's the next gen, the next X place across. So I understand about it. So this is a new effort in trying to make people understand astrology. So we're using Saturn as a Karaka. We don't require the date, time of birth for the prediction, and we have used the Rasi chart to predict for him as a person. I wish him all the best, and I know Madan Gauri name is very good. There is some Gauri element, the women element is there, so he's kind of quite popular across. And I pray God, may all the YouTubers do well and may they be successful. Thank you.